For inequalities, graphical solution means it is a solution which is common for both the inequalities. So here yellow lines goes up, say y greater than 2 means shade above, but here only one line shading is there, and this only one blue line shading is there. The right side, if you have 0, if you don't have number x and y means origin, only one part. X is equal to 3 means a line which cuts x-axis at 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. You can take scale. If line is passing through origin, take one point on x-axis, put it. See now this 2x minus y is passing through origin. Welcome to the session, dear students. So in my last class, I taught you linear inequalities, graphical solution, where we took one inequality and we have done graph for it. So in today's class, we'll go ahead with linear inequalities with more than one inequality or with two variables. So they gave x greater than or equal to 3. So they want you to solve the system of inequality by what method? Graphical method. Means by drawing a graph. Very simple and easy. First, they have given two equations, you can see. One is x greater than or equal to 3. Take x greater than or equal to 3, or we say whenever you want to draw the graph, you should take equal to. X equal to 3. Greater means shade towards right. So now this is a direct inequality. First, let us draw coordinate axis using pencil and scale. Draw two perpendicular lines on graph sheet. This is the x-axis and this is y-axis, and x is equal to 3 means a line parallel to y-axis at 3. So x is equal to 3 means a line which cuts x-axis at 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. You can take scale. So on x-axis at 3, draw a line parallel to what axis? Y-axis. This is called as what? Line x is equal to 3. Now greater than 3, greater than or equal to. Greater means shade right. The shading should go right. Shading should go what? Right. See, only this line if you want to draw, this is the line on which cuts x-axis at 3, and greater than 3 means shade towards right. Like this. Now the second line. What is the second line? Y greater than or equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. First, y is equal to 2 means a line which cuts y-axis at 2. On y-axis, so this is y-axis at 2. Draw a line parallel to what? X-axis. This is line y is equal to 2. Greater means shade above. So now I'll draw the second line. What is the second line? Y is equal to 2. Let us draw second line. Second line is on y-axis 1, 2. At 2, draw a line parallel to what? X-axis. This line is called as what? What we call this line is y is equal to 2. And now greater than means I should shade above. I should shade what? Above, like this. So now if I shade above, we'll get shading like this. For this line, the red line, that is x line. So I should shade right. So I should shade like this. Now, see, please observe. Both the lines are intersecting at a point. This is the point. We call this as A, and this goes on. There is no end for this. And this line, blue line, is a line. This line shading is again above. So both will mix only in this region. Here if you observe, this region shading should be above, but feasible region, solution region means region which is common for both. So shading of red line is towards right, blue line is above. So these two mix here. So here also we have shading. Here also we have red line shading. Here also we have blue line shading. The second line shading is like this. But I have to retain only common region where both the shading mix, or the solution of inequalities is a solution which is common for both. What is common for both? This particular part. Other part which is uncommon, erase it. So this is uncommon, I'll erase it. So this is uncommon, I'm erasing it. And here red line shading is here, but it is not common. So this is uncommon, erase it. This is uncommon, erase it, like that. So now common region means what? Where both the shadings will mix. So blue line shade above, blue line shade above, and red line shade towards right. Red line shade towards what? Right. Both are mixing here. So both are mixing in this region. This region is called a solution region. That's it. And scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and on y-axis also you can take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So what is solution? If for inequalities, graphical solution means it is a solution which is common for both the inequalities. So now ಎರಡು ರೀಜನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 3x + 2y ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2, x ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1, y ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 3x + 2y less than or equal to 12. I'll take is equal to 12, that is 3x + 2y is equal to 12. So now put x is equal to 0. When you put x is equal to 0, this is gone. 2y is equal to 12 and y will become what? 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is 6. One of the point A is 0, 6. This is point on y axis, and put y equal to 0. If you put y equal to 0, this is gone. So 3x is equal to 12. X is 12 by 3. X is 4. So B is 4, 0. Always x comma y you should write. First you should write x, and this is a point. 2 points we got. 1 point on y axis, 1 point on x axis. To draw any line, we need 2 points. One is on x axis, one is on y axis. So this is x axis and this is y axis. And on x axis we got 0, 4. So on x axis this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. On x axis we got point B. B is what? 4, 0. On y axis we got 0, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is A. A is what? 0, 6. Now you draw a line between these two. And they told less than or equal to. So that's why draw a thick line between these two. Between A and B, draw a line. Between A and B, take a scale and exactly see one point. If you do an error, the whole solution goes wrong. So carefully between the 2 points, keep the scale and stretch a line. Now you can see less than. Less than means if I put origin, see 3x + 2y less than or equal to 12. If I put origin 0 less than 12, which is true, so I should shade towards what? Origin. This is origin, so shading should go towards origin. So just I'll put arrow marks. The shading goes like down. Then the second line. What is the second line? X greater than or equal to 1. The second line is x greater than or equal to 1. X greater than or equal to 1 means x is equal to 1. On x axis at 1, this is 1. Draw a line parallel to y axis. This line is called as what? This line is x is equal to 1. Greater than 1 means I should shade towards right. Shading should be towards what? Right. Now one more line we have. One more line we have. That is the third line is y greater than or equal to 2. Y greater than or equal to 2 means on y axis at 2. Draw a line parallel to x axis. This is y is equal to 2. Y greater than 2 means I should shade above. I should shade above. The shading goes above. Now I told you solution region means it is a region where all three constants or all three inequalities will be common. So ಮೂರು shading ಎಲ್ಲಿ mix ಆಗುತ್ತೋ that is common region. So if you see the red lines are coming down and yellow lines are going up. Yellow lines are going up. Red lines are going down, and yellow line shading, this is going up. Yellow line shading is going up, and the blue line is going towards right. All are mixing in this region. All are mixing between this region. What are the regions? All are mixing in this region. That region is feasible region or solution region. All are mixing. I call them as points A, B, C. This is solution region. So here yellow lines goes up. Say y greater than 2 means shade above, but here only one line shading is there, and this only one blue line shading is there. Here if I go down, only this part. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ all three regions shading where it mix, that is the solution. So where it is not mixing, so this is not common for all, so this uncommon, erase it. So actually I should shade above for yellow line, but uncommon, erase it. Blue lines, here it is mixing, leave, retain it, but here it is only a blue line shading, erase this. So now red line goes down, so only retain that region where it is mixing. That's it. So now all the shadings are mixing in this region. The red line comes down, yellow line goes up, blue line comes here. So solution region is from the graph A, B, C. A, B, C, A. We call it as feasible region. We call it as what? Feasible region. Please understand, this is most important for your second year PUC learning linear programming. This is important. So 3 lines, shade all 3 lines where all 3 lines shading mix. ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೇಡಿಂಗು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಇರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. For arrow line we should shade up, for red line we should shade down, for this we should shade right. All 3 will mix in the region called ABC. ABC is the solution region. That's it. What is solution for inequalities? Where all the shadings will mix, that is the solution region. Or we say solution region for inequalities is the common region determined by all the inequalities. Now again they gave 2 lines are given. First line 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Take equal to 6. So I'll take 2x plus y equal to 6. Put x 0. If you put x 0, y will become 3. X 0 agate, y will become 6. Y becomes what? 6. X ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ y 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 point you got. Point always will write x comma y 0 comma 6. 0 comma 6 means x value 0 means it's a point on y axis. And put y 0. If you put y 0, this is gone. So 2x is equal to 6 and x will become 3. So we got point B. B is what? 3 comma 0. We got another point. So now plot them on the graph. Now we got 2 points. This is y axis and this is x axis. A 0 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So A is a point here. A is 0 6. B is 3 0 1 2 3. B is 3 0. Now stretch a line between these two. Stretch a line between these two. And one more line is 3x plus 4y, and they told greater than means if you put 0 greater than 6, 0 greater than 6 is false. So for this line shading goes up. I'll just put one arrow mark. Then second line, so we'll draw second line. What is the second line? 3x plus 4y less than or equal to take 12. So take 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Put x 0. If you put x 0, this is 0. 4y equal to 12. Y equal to 12 divided by 4. 12 by 4 is 3. So you call the point C. C is what? 0 comma 3. And put y 0. If you put y equal to 0, this is gone. So 3x is 12 and x is 4. So and you call this as D. D is what? 4 comma 0. So you got 2 more points. One is 0 3. 0 3 is here. This is C. This is C. 0 comma 3 and D. D 4 comma 0. After 3 we'll have 4 comma 0 here. D 4 comma 0. So now take a line between these two so that both will intersect at this point. Now for this line less than, you can see less than means what? Shade below. If I put origin, idral origin hakidre 0 plus 0 less than 12, it is true. So I should shade towards origin. From this line I should shade down. So now where both will mix, that is the common region of solution. Both are mixing. So red line if I completely shade, so shading goes like this above. Blue line you can stretch further. And for blue line shading goes below. So now where both are mixing, that region you retain. Where both are not mixing, that you erase. So now I'll take eraser and erase uncommon. Common ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ರೀಜನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I'll name this point and this is only red region. Erase it. Only red shading. Erase it. First I'll shade and here this part I'll erase, this part I'll erase, this part I'll erase. I'll plot only till what? I'll plot till only this part, because this is common. And this is only blue region. Only blue region, erase it. Only blue region, erase it. Both are mixing in this region. Blue lines and red lines are mixing in this region. Blue lines and red lines are mixing in this region. This region is what? Solution region. So I name it as point of intersection P. So this goes on. As this line goes on, the shading. So from this is the solution region. I hope all of you understood. So draw two lines, shade both the lines, retain where they'll mix, and erase where they are uncommon. ಎರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ವೋ ಅದನ್ನ erase ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's it. Next we have x plus y greater than or equal to 4, 2x minus y less than 0. So one by one we'll draw. First x plus y greater than or equal to 4. I'll take x plus y equal to 4 to draw the line. So at x is equal to 0, y will become 4. So call the point as A. A is what? X comma y, 0 comma 4, point on y axis. Put y 0. In the place of y, if I put 0, x will become 4. And call it as B. B means x comma y, 4 comma 0. We got 0, 4, 4, 0 as 2 points on the line segment. So all of you know this is y axis and this is x axis, and we got 2 points. So we got 2 points, 1.04, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is point A. Point A, 0 comma 4, point on y axis, and 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is point B. Point B is what? 4, 0. Stretch a line between AB. Stretch a line between AB. And then shading. Greater. Greater means if you put origin, 0 plus 0 greater than 4. 0 greater than 4 is false. So 0 is not greater than 4. 0 is less. So don't go towards this. This is 0. So we got false. So I should not go towards this. I should shade above. Just I'll put an arrow mark. For this line, the whole shading goes up. So if I draft a line here, this is your line. Shading is like this. Now I'll draw second line. I'll draw second line. Let me take second line. What is second line? 2x minus y less than 0. So strictly less than 0. So put x 0. Minus y is equal to 0 or y is 0. One point is point origin, 0 comma 0. One point is origin. And put y 0, you will get x 0. See, right side if you have 0, if you don't have number x and y means origin, only 1 point barata hai. You try putting y 0 again. So that's why for this kind of line, 2x minus y is equal to 0, equate it to 0, y becomes 2x. You choose any particular x, you will get y. I'll take x is equal to 2. Y will become 2 2s are. 2 2s is what? 4. So 1 point I got 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. Plot 2 comma 4. X is 2, y is 4. Y is 4 is here. 2 4 will be a point here. X 2, y 4. This is a point. So now stretch a line between these two. So my dear students, to draw a line, minimum 2 points are required. This is a special line. Here right side number is 0, only x and y are there. This is a line passing through origin. If you put x 0, you will get y 0. You put y 0 again, you will get x 0. That is the reason what we should do. 1 point you should choose. So rearrange 2x minus y, equate it to 0 and get y value. What is y? 2x. You choose any x so that you will get y. I am choosing x as 2. I get y as 4. 2 comma 4 is a point. Here I got 2 comma 4. So this point, and take a scale and stretch it. Now I need to shade. To shade, put origin. So if I put origin, 2 into 0. Here the line is passing through origin. This is the line. Line is passing through origin. I can't put. And choose a point on x-axis. Any point. I'll take 2 comma 0. You can say this 2 comma 0. I'll put it. Very important. So this is a little different. So 2x minus y less than 0. I'll put 2 comma 0. In the place of x, put 2. 2 into 2 minus 0 less than 0. 4 less than 0. 4 less than 0 is false. So 2 comma 0. I tried putting this point. I am not getting true, I am getting false, so I should shade above. For this line, we should shade above. For red line, we should shade. So now, come see, for red line, the shading was like this. Now, both are mixing in this region. So, now erase the uncommon part. Here this is uncommon, erase it. 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 So both will mix in one region. What is that region? You return it. This is the region where they'll mix. So you return the region where both are mixing. Return the region where both are mixing. Blue line shading is up and red line shading is here. So this is the region of solution. This part is the region of solution. Hope all of you understood this. So for this, shading goes away from origin, away from this point. See, if line is passing through origin, take one point on x-axis, put it. See, now this 2x minus y is passing through origin. I took 2 comma 0. In the place of x, I put 2 and 0. It's a point on what axis? X-axis. So when I put, I am getting 4 less than 0. You know, 4 is not less than 0. 4 is greater than 0. I got false. So I should not go from this line. I should not go towards this. I should go above. That is how we have drawn. So common region, this is the solution region. I hope all of you understood this. Next we have 2x minus y greater than 1, x minus 2y less than 1 and x plus y. So 5 and 6 are direct. I expect you people to sit and solve. So I have done 2 variable graphs. So first what you should do, put x equal to 0, you will get y point for point on y axis. Put y equal to 0, you will get point on x axis. Like that, you have to put x value to get y, y value 0 to get x and plot the graphs. Common region is a solution. I have done 4 problems. Please understand them, become thorough so that you can complete the exercise. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.